Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is CATLINK Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The CATLINK Automatic Cat Litter Box can detect and recognize different cats, and record the toilet usage of each cat. With the CATLINK app, cat owners can track the weight of each cat and stay informed about their feline's health. The CATLINK app enables cat parents to remotely control the self-cleaning litter box anytime, as well as access a 24-hour record and 7-day/12-month health report with informative graphics. Plus, one litter box can support multiple users simultaneously. The litter box ensures complete safety with its radars, infrared sensors, and anti-pinch features. If it detects a cat during operation, it stops immediately to prevent injury. The stable, ventilated design adds further protection, and any issues trigger app alerts via self-detection. Auto mode, manual mode, timer mode, and empty mode. Remote app control or panel control. In addition, the empty mode is convenient for changing all cat litter and cleaning the globe. The CATLINK Luxury Pro Litter Box features smart illumination to assist elderly cats with poor eyesight. The Do Not Disturb mode ensures a peaceful environment for cat parents, and the panel lock prevents accidental touches from pets or children. Number 2 in this best self-cleaning cat litter box list is BASTRUMI Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The patented design of the integrated structure of the litter box and waste bin decreases the risk of cat entrapment to 0%. All-in-one waste disposal system replaces traditional drawer-style collection method because it poses a risk of trapping cats. And the noise produced by this cat litter box during operation is comparable to a soft whisper. This automatic cat litter box solves the issues caused by the accumulation of excrement in drawer-style trash bins. It maximizes space utilization with a 2.4 gal/9 liters waste collection compartment, capable of supporting a 13 pounds cat for up to 15 days. So you can travel worry-free, knowing your cat can stay at home without any concerns. The device is equipped with 4 gravity sensing sensors at the bottom. Information about your cat's toilet visits, including frequency, timing, and changes in weight, will be displayed through the app. Furthermore, the front-facing infrared sensor can automatically instruct the device to stop rotating when your cat approaches. Our third choice is Cleanpethome Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Cleanpethome Automatic Cat Litter Box takes the hassle out of maintaining a clean and odor-free environment for your beloved feline friend. No more scooping and sifting. The advanced self-cleaning mechanism ensures your cat always has a fresh and hygienic litter box to use. Equipped with a cutting-edge odor elimination system, this self-cleaning cat litter box neutralizes unpleasant smells and keeps your home fresh and inviting. Enjoy a clean, odor-free space, without the need for constant maintenance. By reducing the amount of litter wasted and minimizing the frequency of litter changes, our automatic litter box not only helps you save money but also contributes to a greener planet. Spend less on litter and reduce your carbon footprint at the same time. Designed with your home in mind, this self-cleaning litter box operates quietly and discreetly, ensuring it doesn't disturb your daily life. The compact design allows it to blend seamlessly with your home decor while providing your cat with a comfortable and private space. Cleanpethome Cat Litter Box Self-Cleaning is engineered with your cat's safety as a top priority. Featuring sensors that detect your cat's presence and a delay mechanism that prevents the cleaning cycle from starting while your cat is inside, you can have peace of mind knowing your feline friend is safe and sound. Fourth pick in this best self-cleaning cat litter box list is Paws and Home PurrPotty Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Experience a stress and hassle-free solution to your cat's litter needs with our self-cleaning litter box, designed to provide a cleaner and fresher environment for both you and your feline friend. Effortlessly manage your automatic litter box from your phone, monitor your cat's bathroom habits, and track their weight to make sure your companion is in tip-top shape. The cat litter box is equipped with intelligent sensors that detect when your cat has used the litter box, initiating the cleaning cycle and ensuring a pristine environment for your pet at all times. It is also safe. The weight sensor ensures the robot will not begin cycling until your feline friend has stepped out. Our spacious automatic litter box is designed to accommodate large breed cats, ensuring they have ample room to move and do their business. It's also safe for kittens, equipped with weight detection to make sure the kitty has finished before cycling. The spacious waste compartment ensures it is perfect for multi-cat homes, providing a clean and stress-free environment for the whole house. Our fifth and last choice is PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Crystal litter removes smell by absorbing urine and dehydrating solid waste. Includes one disposable ScoopFree complete litter tray with crystal litter. Low tracking crystals are 99% dust-free and don't stick to your cat's paws. A hooded cover helps keep kitty litter inside the box. Disposable trays have plastic lining to help protect against leaking and keep your floors clean. Simply remove the tray and throw it away. Each tray includes a lid for quick disposal. The health counter keeps track of how many times your furry feline uses the box. For optimal performance, use ScoopFree Premium Crystal Litter with your automatic litter box. It uses disposable trays that have a plastic lining to help protect against leaking, and each tray comes with a lid for quick and easy disposal. Just remove the tray and throw it away. There's even a health counter that tracks how many times your furry feline uses the box, which is a convenient way to detect early signs of a health issue, and the included privacy cover gives your cat a secluded bathroom. The PetSafe brand is here to help you and your pet live happy together.